Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It's 4:11 p.m. Sunday, April 21st, 2019, Easter Sunday. What I have here is a Palco Carib ceiling fan. Now, it was an industrial fan that was, I actually acquired this on Craigslist. There was a, I was out in Connecticut. I was staying out there for work for a few days, and I don't check the Craigslist, Hartford Craigslist too often. But since I was out there, I figured I'd check, see what they had for ceiling fans. It was listed for free, so I contacted the guy, and I ended up getting it. The guy lived right down the road from my uncle and aunt. Went out to visit them. Have dinner at their house, and I picked the fan up on the way. It worked out really well. The guy said the next day he was going to throw it out with the trash if I hadn't picked it up. So I just got it. I guess it was on there for like a month, and nobody wanted it. So I picked it up, and he said he had it installed in 1975 when his house was built. So it's a really neat little fan. It's a, I'm not sure if it's technically considered a gold line or not, but it's right along those lines, and very, very powerful little industrial fan. So I'll plug it in. Pretty powerful little fan. It's a 36-inch industrial. It's one of the few industrials I have that was actually installed in a residential setting, so it's pretty clean. Some of them have, some of my industrials have, old diesel exhaust residue, and who knows what else, just tons of dust from being in a store or a garage or church or whatever. But this one is in really good shape. Haven't cleaned it off yet, nor have I installed the regulator. That did come with the original regulator. That's right over here. I have to dust off some of that. With a paper towel here, so it's legible. Well, thanks a lot for watching, folks. Please do subscribe to my page called The Fan Cave, and check out my Facebook page of the same name. If you would click like on this, I would greatly appreciate it. And thanks a lot for watching. Good night and good luck.